Welcome to step number 5 of the 13 steps to success from Think and Grow Rich. In this video, we're going to be focusing on developing your imagination. Imagination is the workshop where your desires are transformed into plans of action. Man's only limitation, within reason, lies in the development and use of his imagination. There are two types of imagination: synthetic imagination and creative imagination. Let's go over both of them now. Synthetic imagination is used when you arrange old concepts, old ideas, and old plans into new combinations. It works with what you already know. It really doesn't create anything, it just rearranges these ideas. Although it doesn't create anything new, it isn't a bad thing. This kind of imagination is the one that you use most when creating practical plans for acquiring your desires. The more you practice using this type of imagination, the better plans you will be able to create to reach your goals. The second type of imagination is creative imagination, and it's used when your mind has a direct communication with infinite intelligence. This is the state of mind you are in when you receive inspirations or hunches. This is the creation of new ideas, where you think of things that have never been introduced to mankind. It is also the state of mind that can take old ideas to the next level, also known as innovations. Creative imagination only can function when your brain is highly stimulated. I have a video on 10 ways to stimulate your brain if you are interested. Your imagination can only be developed and made alert through use. To develop it more, try thinking deeper about many things you do in your regular life. What can I do to be more efficient? Are there any other options? How can I improve this idea? Continue to use your imagination in order to make it function at full power. Put your imagination to work on building plans for transforming your desire, your goal, your dream into reality. When you think of these plans, write them down immediately. This is the first step of many of turning your desire into a physical reality. You need your imagination to think of great ideas. Ideas are always the starting point to all success, to all great fortunes, to all great wealth. Ideas are only products of imagination. Your imagination develops definite plans to reach your goals. Success is not a result of hard work. It is a result of great ideas and great plans. Most people can't easily create great ideas, but they do have the imagination to recognize ideas when they see them. It takes great imagination to see opportunities, to turn your ideas into plans, and to turn your desires into actions. I really hope you gained something of value from this video, and I also hope you continue to my next video in the series, which is step number 6, the video on organized planning.